What if you could completely transform any image into a new style with better detail, stronger realism, and cleaner composition in just seconds? Today, I'm showing you how to use Seedream 5.0 image-to-image inside LitVideo. And yes, new users get one free trial, plus there's a limited time 50% discount. LitVideo has just upgraded its image-to-image feature with the new Seedream 5.0 model. Compared to previous versions, Seedream 5.0 delivers sharper details, more accurate style transfer, better lighting and texture rendering, more natural facial reconstruction. If you're into AI art, content creation, character design, or marketing visuals, this is a serious upgrade. First, log into LitVideo. On the main dashboard, select Image to Image. Next, choose the model. From the model selector, choose Seedream 5.0. Make sure you don't accidentally select an older version. The 5.0 model gives you the best results. Now upload your reference image. This can be a portrait, a product photo, a landscape, or even a sketch. The model will use this as the base structure. Now enter your instruction. For example, cinematic lighting, ultra-detailed, cyberpunk city background, neon glow, 8K resolution, or studio product photography, soft shadows, luxury branding aesthetic. Be specific about style, lighting, mood, texture, quality keywords. The clearer your prompt, the better the result. Once everything is ready, click Create. Within seconds, Seedream 5.0 generates your transformed image. Here's a casual selfie upgraded into a professional studio headshot. Here's a simple product shot upgraded into a premium commercial visual. And here's a rough sketch turned into a realistic concept render. Honestly, the best way to understand Seedream 5.0 is to try it yourself. Now on LitVideo, you get one free trial as a new user. And right now it's 50% off. Play with different styles, test different prompts, and see what kind of visuals you can create. If you enjoyed this breakdown, drop a like, subscribe for more AI tools deep dives, and let me know in the comments what you want me to test next. See you in the next one.